Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cool intro like the one you see in the video first place. Come on, let's start up. And if you have any video editor software like FILMORA 9, you can do it pretty easily. So I'm using FILMORA 9. So let's open it. As you can see, there are various titles and everything else. So I can import any one of this from my PC. So I just import this template from here. Okay, so I can reduce its length to, as you can see, 10 seconds. Okay, and I can upbeat a new sound like upbeat, which I've downloaded from net. Okay, so down here and go. So we set all lined up, so let's test it. So the sound was pretty, coming low, so you can add some text here, like any one of them, like this one which I've worked with in the video. So let's add a different title this time. If you want anything like that, you can just go on and add any of your texts like that, and it'll be super awesome. Like I've just downloaded this thing. Okay, so if you want to export this, press Ctrl E, so that will ultimately the button for export. So I'm not gonna export this because I'm already having a thing. So if you want, you can add a new like audio from here. Like it's a super cool collection of different sound effects and sounds, ringtones, which are absolutely free to download. And I'm using FILMORA 9. I'm using FILMORA 9 version, and I've bought FILMORA 9. So we're gonna see about, and want to show FILMORA 9 version 9.3.6.2. So FILMORA 9 is it's a wonderful company. Software to video editing is simple. It's very simple to use, and its timeline is it's amazing. So you can change everything. You can control everything. It's like a professional tool to make videos. Okay, you can add titles, transition between videos, like so many transitions as you can see here. And we can add effects like that, 70s blur, 4-season glow, gravity, anything like that. It's a great element for your tutorial, so you can actually point the direction of the video you wanna show to, and you can split screens, and that's it's pretty amazing because not so much software is compatible as FILMORA 9. And I recommend to all my users to use FILMORA 9 because it has a free trial, and I hope you all buy this because it's a very useful tool. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want more videos like that, keep watching it. Thank you.